Thanks for calling Tech Solutions. This is Mark speaking. How can I help you?
Hello, Mark. This is Paul, and I saw your ad for the Tech Pro 5000 online, and I like that printer, and I'm interested in learning more.
Hey Paul, thanks for calling. I'd be glad to tell you about the Tech Pro 5000. What caught your eye about it?
The speed and the wireless printing look good. My current printer is like a dinosaur.
I understand. The Tech Pro 5000 is a big step up. It prints at 20 to 40 pages per minute and connects wirelessly without any hassle. What kind of printing do you usually do?
Mostly work documents and the occasional photo.
So the TechPro 5000 handles both documents and photo printing beautifully. So it has also features like duplex printing, high resolution printing, etc. So any questions about those?
The price is a little bit steep, though. I saw it listed at $7,000.
Hmm. I understand that's an investment, but considering the speed, features, and reliability, it's a worthwhile long-term solution. So we also have financing options to make it more affordable. Uh, Interested in hearing about those?
Yeah, tell me more.
Sure thing. So let me run through our financing plans. So we offer a variety of financing plans. Let's explore a couple of options of your $7,000 purchase. So one option is a larger term loan, perhaps 60 months, which would result in a lower monthly payment but might have a slightly higher total interest cost. So alternatively, we have a shorter term loan, so maybe 36 months, which would mean higher monthly payments but less interest paid overall. Would you prefer to prioritize lower monthly payments or paying off the loan faster? Ready to go ahead with the purchase?
Sorry, Mark, but let me think it over.
No problem. I can email you a detailed brochure with specs and financing details. Sounds good?
Sounds good.
Great. It's on its way. So give us a call back if you have any more questions. We're here to help.
Thanks, Mark. Appreciate it.
You're welcome, Paul. Have a great day.
One of the challenges I face is slowly losing the time to play basketball as I shifted my focus to studies. Basketball has always been something I enjoyed, but as schoolwork piled up, I had to prioritize my academics. At first, it wasn't easy. I miss playing regularly, and sometimes I felt like I was letting go of something I love. But however, I knew that my education was important, so I found ways to manage both without completely giving up on basketball. To handle this, I focus on time management, making sure to schedule my tasks efficiently so I could still fit in a short game or even just a few shots after studying. I also begin treating basketball as a way to refresh my mind rather than something I no longer had time for. Lastly, I set realistic goals, reminding myself that while my priorities have shifted, basketball will always be there when I have more time. In the end, it's all about balance. I may not play as much as before, but I still find ways to keep my passion for basketball alive while staying focused on my education.
My reflection about the scenario. It highlights the significance of effective communication, product knowledge, and navigating customer concerns. And I confidently asked open-ended questions about Paul's interest in the Technopro, which helped me understand his needs and demonstrate my product ex- expertise. Um, a key A key challenge was addressing his hesitation about high price, requiring a balance between urgency and um, genuine support to ensure he felt heard. Um, Successful strategies included active listening to build rapport, expressing empathy regarding the investment, and providing clear financing option to address affordability, and proactively offering it to send a detailed brochure for future engagement. And for overall, the scenario reinforced the importance of communication, adaptability, and trust building in customer service, and also equipping me with essential tools for future interaction.
So the hardest part of me is juggling classes, assignments, studying, and well, life with the occasional online gaming session. So it's a constant struggle for me. So it's just to find enough time for everything. So I often find myself trying hard on my homework because a new game is or have an update, or my friends are online. So it's easy to lose track of time when you're having fun. So sometimes I feel guilty about spending time in gaming instead of studying. So it's easy to tell myself I should be more productive, which can lead to self doubt and frustration. So this negative self talk can be a real drowner. So I started using a planner to schedule specific times for activities. It helps me stay organized and prevent gaming from taking over completely. So I set time limits for gaming session and try my best to stick to them. So I've learned to prioritize my tasks. Schoolwork comes first. Gaming is a reward for completing my studies. So this helped me stay motivated and avoid feeling guilty about gaming. So instead of random gaming sessions throughout the day, I set aside specific time for gaming. So this helped me avoid delaying and prevent gaming from stopping with my studies too much.